There seems to be a little bit of confusion on what to do for our culminating. A lot of people were like, wait a second, I thought this was a reflection. Well, it is a reflection. You're reflecting on math as well as your learning experience. So we are going to reflect on the learning, but in order to do that, you have to look at all of the stuff that you should have learned. So in a normal class, normal being non-COVID, we would have had all of these topics covered. And in this review package that I have, these are the question allocations for these topics. Do you have to do these questions? Nuh-uh. What you need to do is you need to get a scrap piece of paper. Okay, there's some chemistry, there's some math, there's some more math. Let's do it on the back. Let's scrap paper. And then you should get something and break this into my columns. Meh, 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 meh. Okay, that looks good. So, if I look down here, it says what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to look through all of these questions, and then you are going to, I think you should use a scrap piece of paper because that's how I would do this, and you're going to then categorize them. Do you know how to do that question? Then it goes down here. Do you know how to do the question but would have to review it first? It goes in there. Do you know how to do, oh, I don't know how to do it. Okay, so I even went as far as got some colors. There's my red. There's my green. And then my yellow. Okay, now I'm going to categorize the questions. So I'm going to grab another writing utensil. That's not another pen. Sorry, you're looking into my pencil case. Look, we're at 85 days of COVID. It sucks. And then I'm going to go to that mastery thing and be like, okay, question 1. Do I know how to do that? Yeah, I do. Question 1. Question 2, yep, I know how to do that. Question 2. Question 3, yep, I could do that. 3. That's all you have to do. You just have to tell me where the questions are, and then like number 4 where we've got some fraction stuff. It's like, okay, I know how to do that, but just to be double sure, I would go back and look through my notes. You know, like you're just ranking these on how you understand them. Simplify that. You know what? It might be worth, I remember how to do it, but might be worth looking at. Number 7, I would have to go back and look at. And there are questions. Everyone should have a lot of questions in those, unfortunately, because we had to skip stuff. And then once you're done this, you just go back to your Google Doc for the assignment and you plug in what numbers. So here I had number 4, number 7. Here I had numbers 1 to 3, and so on and so forth. And you just go and create a list. This is all I want to see. That's it. Then there are some reflection aspects. That's the part 2. Okay, hopefully that helps.